Hi guys, today I am going to teach you how to install Tor Browser to Windows 10 PC. So this is a downloaded file. You can download it from Tor project website. It's, you can search like Tor project Google and visit this website and download it. After downloading this exe file, you need to double click it. Then you should follow the installation wizard like this. It's a simple installation. You can also change the location that it will be installed. Now I have used the default, and now you can run to a browser, and you can also add it to desktop like this. Now let's wait some time and it will start automatically. You can see this will come, and you can select and connect button. Or there are some special configuration for censored countries. Some countries censored or blocked to a browser, so you can use this tick and select some of this option and used connect button. Now in this case I used normally in now I am in Sri Lanka, and so Sri Lankan government did not block Tor browser, so I can use this connect. Then you have configured to bridge. I don't want bridge, so let's select this and then next. This is how you first time open to a browser. When after this you do not need to do the same configuration thing, so it will take some time to connect to a network, and then it will open like this. Now you can use Tor browser.